All right, so how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at the Classic House expansion pack for the ADSR Drum Machine by ADSR Sounds. There's a link in the video description below. If you already have the ADSR Drum Machine, this is an expansion pack you could get, or you could buy the drum machine and again then get the expansion pack. But also another cool thing about the ADSR Sounds website is they typically have a free plugin every month. Right now, it's another drum machine actually, analog drum machine from the 80s. By Audio Thing, and that's going on now, but that's going to change next month. And I can't guarantee they'll always have a free plugin with purchase, but check out the link in the description below. It'll take you to the website to give you some more information on that. So this kit here, or this expansion pack rather, 10 fully programmable drum kits, techno house or tech house kit, minimal house kit, lounge house kit, lo-fi house kit, Latin house kit, funky house kit, French house kit, deep house kit, Chicago kit, acid house kit. And then we have 168 unique patterns in the sequencer as well that you can change. It's all MIDI, so you can manipulate them how you want. 222 samples, 160 map samples plus 60 bonus samples. And the download here is 115 megabytes. Now, I made a whole other video on the drum machine itself, so you can check that out to see how it all works. I'm not going to go into all that here. I'm just going to show you some of the demos, sounds, and actually all the kits and some of the patterns that go along with those kits. So let's jump into it and let's check it out. All right, cool. So if you want to check out the drum machine, like I said, there's a video right here. I'll pop up on the screen. There's other expansion packs you can check out as well for this. Anyways, please do subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. There's a link in the video description below for all this stuff. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.